Good morning, happy Saturday. Starting the day off with the cinnamon raisin oat bar. Love it. Look at it. It's delicious. If you haven't tried it, it's got lots of yummy, creamy frosting on the bottom and on the top. And I'm going to go enjoy. Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. As you saw, fueling number one today was the cinnamon raisin oat bar. Delicious. And I have been cleaning and doing a lot of stuff in the house. I got a load of laundry going. Tonight, Jess has a show. If you don't already know, Jess is the lead singer in a band. They are signed with a record label, so tonight is one of their shows, and it's actually local, which is awesome because there's gonna be so many people at the venue that we know. So I'm just trying to get the day, I want all my chores out of the way. So dusting, vacuuming, laundry going. Tomorrow we're headed down the shore, so I'm going to bring you with me. My mother-in-law has just purchased a home down the shore, and you guys know we always go to Long Beach Island every summer. We have a house down there that we rent, and so now she's going to have, and it's gorgeous. It's in a community, it's gated, so we can actually go visit her. There's 2 saltwater pools, there's all kinds of stuff, a theater. I'm so excited for her. And so tomorrow we're gonna go down and check out her new place, so I'll take you with me. But today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Today's day 6 already. I can't even believe it. And for my second fueling, I'm having the strawberry shake. I did use 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. It's not the vanilla flavor, it's just the regular. I bought the regular by accident. I would have preferred vanilla, but this one's really good too. It makes the shakes extra creamy. Very thick. See how the straw stands up? I always call that passing my straw test. If you followed me for a long time, you would have already known that phrase, but the straw test. You got to make your shakes thick and delicious, especially when you're home. If you're out on the go and you need to put it in a little shaker cup with water, do what you need to do. I prefer it this way, and especially the strawberry. So good. I had like 2 packets left, I found, so I'm enjoying that. So that's the day. Maybe I'll get some footage tonight from the venue so you can see Jess and his bandmates kick ass and do this amazing show. I'm excited, and I'm feeling lighter, and I'm feeling really good, sleeping well, and so things are going well. Not one cheat, not one deviation, not one craving, not one binge. I think I'm on the right track, and that is because of all of you. The support you're showing me is tremendous. I'm grateful, and I'm humbled, and thank you. I'm gonna go finish some cleaning. Maybe I'll show you what I'm cleaning. I'm wearing a baggy t-shirt and pajama pants, so my outfit is not what I would like it to be, but I want to, if you're cleaning a house and doing what you need to do and you're going out later, you're not going to shower now. You're going to shower after you're all done. So that's the plan. So come along with me for the day. I'll see you at the next fueling. Bye, guys.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
So we're at the next fueling. I just finished cleaning my bathroom, and I need to wash the floor, and I need to get my bucket with my cleaning stuff out. But I did the tub, I did the sink, I did the toilet, everything but the floor. So in the meantime, it's time again to eat. So I'm having this little creamy chocolate chip peanut butter bar. All right, so I'm having lean and green now because I'm about to go take a shower and get ready for tonight. So I decided to do a voluminous one because the venue that I'm going to has really good food and drinks, and I do not want to be hungry. So this is avocado, 3 ounces, because I chose egg whites as a leanest. I have 14 of them in here. 14 egg whites, 270 grams of cooked cauliflower rice, and I have 2 Laughing Cow wedges to complete my 3 condiments for the day. And as you can see, when you take the back of a spoon and you just blend it all together, that Laughing Cow cheese gets melted, everything gets combined. It's truly the most filling lean and green that I know that I can make. And you got to remember, each egg white is only about 10 calories. So it's 140 calories for the protein, not a lot for the cauliflower rice, and not a lot for the avocado or cheese. So totally balanced meal. All right, guys, we're getting ready to head out, and I'm a little behind. I'm having the drizzled berry crunch bar. Wearing a shirt, black pants, and those really cool boots that I have. This is the outfit. Showing a little shoulder. Feeling so good. All right, so I'm gonna have this, and I have to bring my last fueling with me because we have to go soon, and I'm probably gonna bring another bar. I don't know what one, but I'm gonna bring it with me. I am gonna take some footage for tomorrow's video of tonight, so you'll be able to come down to the shore with us tomorrow and see Jess's mom's new place and hear all about how the night went. But another night still on plan. I'm going tonight, and I'm not gonna drink, I'm not gonna eat, I'm doing nothing but staying on my program, and I feel amazing. All right, so with all of that behind us, today was a good day, just very busy. I'm gonna end the video by saying what I always say to you, and I mean it 1000%. I can't do this without any of you. The support is everything. So we can do this, yes we can, as long as we do it together. Me and you and me, we're in it together. See you guys tomorrow.